Hi guys, I'm Tharani and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reading Chicken on a Broom. Now let's get started. Zoey and Sam put on their costumes. They were headed to the party when Sam noticed Pip. Pip looked upset. "What's wrong, Pip?" asked Sam. "My mask is in the barn," said Pip. "So?" asked Sam. "The barn is haunted," said Pip. "There's a ghost, a huge spider, and a vampire in there too." "Not a problem," said Zoey. "Sam and I will help get your mask." "You will?" asked Pip. "We will?" asked Sam. "Keep your hat on, Sam," said Zoey. "This chicken rides a broom." "Henry, wanna help?" asked Zoey. Pip's mask was stolen by ghosts. "No thanks," said Henry. "I'm setting up for the party. Good luck with that ghost." "Clara, wanna help?" asked Zoey. Pip's mask was stolen by ghosts. "Ghosts?" asked Clara. "There's no such thing." "I hope that's true," said Sam. "Don't worry," said Zoey. "The broom and I will protect you." "It's very dark in there," said Sam. "Maybe we should come back later." "Not a problem," said Zoey. "This broom is fully equipped. It comes with a flashlight." "Where's the mask?" asked Zoey. "It's in the loft," said Pip. "Okay, let's go upstairs," said Zoey. "What about the ghosts?" asked Sam. But Zoey was already off. The wind howled through the loft. "Woo! I'm scared," said Pip. "It's just the wind," said Sam. "Not the wind," said Zoey. "Ghosts!" "Help!" said Pip. "Don't let them eat me," said Sam. "Abracazoo! Meet my broom," said Zoey. Zoey swept the ghost aside. "Watch out, Pip," said Sam. "You have hay on your head." "Not hay," said Zoey. "Cobwebs! Abracazoo! Meet my broom." Zoey swept the cobwebs aside. "What's in that cobweb?" asked Sam. "Ah!" squeaked Pip. "It's a giant spider." "Not a spider," said Zoey. "Pip's mask." "My mask," said Pip. "Can we go now?" asked Sam. "We can go," said Zoey. "We just need to avoid that bat." "A baseball bat?" asked Sam. "Not a baseball bat," said Zoey. "A dangerous vampire bat." "Abracarun!" Everyone ran. "That was close," said Zoey. "Everyone okay?" Everyone was. "Can we go to the party?" asked Pip. "Can we get some treats?" asked Sam. "We can do both," said Zoey. "Let's go." "You found your mask," said Henry. "We did," said Pip. "The spider had it, not the ghosts." "We should get a reward," said Sam. "Maybe some treats?" "Not just treats," said Zoey. "Bobbing for apples," said Zoey. "Yum," said Sam. Me first, me first." Thanks for reading with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. See you guys later. Bye.